Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Pochana. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna make a detachable Janmastami cradle for coming up Janmashtami celebrations. If you have followed my channel, I always love to make decor that is detachable, easy to store, and I can repurpose it for a number of other projects at home. So I hope you guys like this video and get some ideas for your next DIY. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now, without any delay, let's get started. To make the detachable cradle, I'm gonna use a wood base which is 9 by 12 inch. This is basically to hold the pillars and then attach the swing to those pillars. And then I have like a 5 by 7 inch wood base which I'll be using for the swing. And I have some small wooden caps which are like 3/4 inch caps which I'm gonna use to decorate the pillars. And then I have some 3/4 inch square blocks, basically again using them to build the pillar. And then here I have my unfinished wooden candle holders. If you have seen my Kumkum Paspu set that I made last time, I have used these wooden candle holders and I removed the bottom piece. So I used that to attach it to those Kumkum Paspu set, and I have a lot of pieces left over from these. So I'm going to use one, I'm going to use for holding the pillar, and on top of it when I'm building the pillar as per my desired height, I'm going to just use the pieces where I don't have the bottom attached so that it looks nice and beautiful. And I have some sanding paper and wood glue so that I can attach everything together, and I have some measuring tape. I know it's a lot of material that we are using here to make the DIY, but at the end, trust me, it will be all worth it. I think that's the first step we are gonna do. So basically I'm gonna use like a hand saw and detach the bottoms, like wherever I have this wood piece which I don't want. I'm gonna cut them out. For one piece I'm gonna leave it as is because those are like my base for the pillars, and the others I'm gonna just remove the bottom from the top so that when I'm building the pillar it looks like nice and neat, and it has like a beautiful curvy structure which looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna cut these wood pieces first. I'm using a hand saw and just holding it tight on the left side, and I'm just gonna start. Base is now detached from my candle holder, so this is the structure that we are going to make the pillar with. So these I'm going to save for the next project. There are rough edges while I was using the hand saw, so I'm going to just sand it a bit down so that it has like even surfaces. My wood pieces are all ready to build the pillar. First, I'm gonna measure the wood piece. I think it's 11 inches, but just to make sure, I'm gonna measure this. So I have my base pillars. So these are the base pillars that would stand like this. So I have these base pillars, and on top of this, I'm gonna attach them and build it based on the desired height. First, I'm gonna arrange everything, and then I'm gonna attach it with the wood glue so that I don't make any mistakes. So I'm gonna attach two of them together. I'm gonna add a square wooden filler, and then I'm gonna do the same at the top and arrange, and then do another filler at the top. So I measured the pillar height, it's 11 inches. So for the third pillar also, I'll be using the same size because it's 11, 11, 11. I am going to use wood glue to attach all these pieces together. I am ready to attach my pillar fittings here. I have the wood glue. So first I'm gonna attach two together, give it like 5 minutes time, and then attach the other two, and then later attach the two at the top. Don't do it at the same time because of the weight, they might fall off. So make sure like you attach two at a time. Take a moment or take like 5-minute break and attach the other two, and then take a break and then attach the other two together. I'm attaching the second pillar. Just hold it there for like 30 seconds to 1 minute. While the pillars are drying, I am making the swing here. So basically I have these small pins. These are like eye hook pins. So I'm gonna use them. I just marked the dots where exactly I'm gonna screw these in the wood. And I'm gonna finish this while the pillars are drying. You can absolutely screw them with your hand because the base wood is not that hard. So I'm just applying some pressure here and then just twisting and turning it around. All the pillars are ready. So first I'm gonna place the swing where exactly I want to place it on top. So make sure it's centered properly and everything is good. So here comes our third pillar. So before attaching this, I have to screw in two more eye hooks, basically from where I'll be having the strings to connect the swing to the pillars. So first I'm gonna place everything together to make sure it's all right. So this is how the structure would look. So, and I have placed the swing in the center, like I have adjusted it correctly. So now I have to mark like where exactly the swing would connect. It's like 2 inches. I think it's 2 inches apart. In the bottom also I'm checking exactly like where it's coming from the center here. So at the 2-inch mark, I think I'm gonna put my hook on the third pillar. Here is a tip. When we have this metal chain, these metal chains are nothing but round hooks that are connected together. So each of these hooks will have one opening. So I'm just opening that using pliers, removing the desired length I want to connect the swing to the pillars. And that's it. We don't need to cut the metal chain. The length of my metal chain is 12 inches. So now I'm gonna connect the chains to the wood base here. I have the hooks open, so I'm gonna just connect the metal chain from one end and then slowly get everything straight on the metal chain and then just twist it a bit and connect it to the other corner. My swing is all ready. Now it needs to be connected to the pillar. So all the pieces are ready. My swing is ready, base is ready, and my pillars are ready. So now to make this cradle detachable, I'm gonna add like 2 screws to the wood base and basically make holes to these pillars and connect the screw from the bottom and then remove it whenever I don't need it. So here is the mistake I have done doing this project. Please don't repeat this. I already made the pillars, so now it's very difficult to make the holes for the pillars. So when we have it as a small feet, I should have drilled the hole earlier, I mean before attaching it to the pillar. So I did that mistake, so you guys don't repeat that. If we are gonna use the screws, just make a hole in the wooden candle holder first and then start building the pillar on top of that. So yeah, this is something I have learned. Now I'll be very careful when I'm actually making the holes on this pillar. So wish me luck. I think it should work. I'll be very careful. Hopefully it doesn't break. So I have my electric drill ready. So I'm going to use this to make holes to the wood base and the pillars. I'm being very careful using the drill. I don't want to break my pillar here. So I'm gonna try drilling it very carefully and slowly. So here I have attached the screws in the back and we are good here. Now it's completely attached. If you want to detach, basically we just turn it around and then make the drill in reverse mode and just put it in the back. I'm showing it to you guys in the video because I want to make sure it's both attachable and detachable. So I'm gonna try that now and then attach it later. So yeah, the screw is detached now. I can just remove it and store it if I want to. I wanted to show you guys how to detach the screw and attach the screws. That's why I'm showing this example. Using electric drill is very easy. Once you get comfortable with it, you should be able to use it. It's not rocket science. And we women give birth to kids and this is nothing before that. My pillar is attached to the wood base. Now I'm gonna attach the swing to the pillars. Okay, the swing is all ready and now I'm gonna make some design and paint this cradle. I'll catch you guys once I finish all the painting and show the final reveal of this beautiful detachable cradle for Lord Krishna, Ganesha. You can use it for any festive occasions. I'll see you guys in a bit. The big reveal of my project. The cradle looks so beautiful and I have reattached the pillars once I finished the design on top of the pitum and the pillars and the swing. I was debating between two colors, either I should do pink or blue, and I just decided to do both. So I have like a pink swing here and a blue one here. I can interchange it whenever I want to use different colors. You guys tell me in the comment section below which one did you like the most, the blue swing or the pink swing or both. I would love to read your comments. The swing design is super easy. I just did like a small dot and a big dot design here, which if you have followed my channel, I have done a similar design. It's super easy and quick and it looks absolutely beautiful. So my detachable cradle is all done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please do comment below the video. I love reading your comments, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you very much for watching.